In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira dashboard. Whether you're organizing a team project or just trying to keep track of your tasks, learning to create a custom dashboard in Jira will help you manage everything more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to your Jira account. If you have your personal or work-related projects in Jira, you're likely familiar with this first step already. Once you're logged in, you'll need to look over to the left side of the screen where there's a menu bar. Here, you're going to look for the option labeled Dashboard. Go ahead and click on it. This area is your central hub for visualizing project data all in one place. Now, once you're in the dashboard section, draw your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll see a button that says Create Dashboard. Click on this. Creating a new dashboard gives you the flexibility to tailor the display of your project data to meet specific needs. So, as you embark on this custom setup, remember that a dashboard is a powerful tool for project management insights. After clicking Create Dashboard, you'll be prompted to input a name for your new dashboard. Choose a name that is reflective of the content or purpose of the dashboard. This could be related to your team's active sprint, a particular project, or any other context that helps in its identification. Once you have, type it into the provided field. Next, you'll see a field to input a description. This is where you can provide additional context. This description is especially helpful if you have multiple people accessing this dashboard. They can get a quick overview of what this dashboard is intended for by reading this short description. The following step involves setting permissions for who can view your dashboard. Here you're presented with a choice of viewers. This could range from a specific group to all logged-in users, depending on the level of confidentiality your dashboard contains. Make sure to select the appropriate set of individuals or groups that should have access to view this dashboard. Similarly, you'll also choose who gets to edit the dashboard. Permissions for editors are crucial because they control who can make changes to the layout or data being displayed. Think carefully about those who should have editing rights and select them accordingly. Now that you have the name, description, and permissions sorted out, simply click on Save. This will create your dashboard with the basic settings in place. In your newly created dashboard, you'll want to add gadgets. These are mini applications that display data like charts or lists, helping to visualize the project's metrics. To do so, look to the right side of your screen. Click on the Add button to browse through available gadgets and select the ones you find useful. And once you've added a few gadgets and configured them to your liking, don't forget to click Done. This final step saves all your settings and displays your dashboard in its full form. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Jira dashboard tailored to your needs. Utilize it to keep track of your projects and enhance your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.